Hello everyone, my name is Melvin, sales manager of WELLINE Machinery. Today I want to introduce a new equipment to you. This machine is called Raymond mill. It can process 3 to 5 tons per hour. The input size is 20 millimeter. The out size is a very fine powder. The size is 80 to 325 mesh. This is the machine I'm talking about. We have 3 sets of that. This is also this one and the one over there. Then I will give you a very detailed introduction of this whole system. This is a model of the Raymond mill, the jaw crusher, excavator, the hopper, feeder, Raymond mill, dust collector, and the outs. So this is the first machine of this whole system. This is the jaw crusher. It's not big. The capacity of this machine is 5 to 10 tons per hour. Let's take a view of this machine. We have already packed that. It's the flywheel. Here, this is the input size, input port. So the input size is almost 230 millimeter. 230 millimeter. If you have no idea about how big the input size is, okay, have a look. It's almost the same size as a human head, and the out size is 20 millimeter. So the function of this machine is to break the big rock into small rocks. This is the excavator. It can lift the stone. So after the jaw crusher it crushes, it can lift the stone from lower level to a higher level. Then over there, that one is the small hopper. It can store the stone temporarily. This is the small feeder. This is the input port. Here is the output. The function of this machine is to transfer the gravels from the hopper over there to the Raymond mill evenly and continuously. This is the Raymond mill we are talking about. The model is the YGM95. It can process 3 to 5 tons per hour. This is the appearance of this machine. And if you want to see the inner, okay, here is the inner. It's the inner side. This is the roller. This is the ring. Here is the spare parts. This is the roller, this is the ring, and this is the shovel. Of course, the whole system also contains dust removal machine, or we call that dust collector. It can collect all the powder the small powder in air, so that make your workshop very clean, not dirty. This is a bagging machine. It can pack all the finished products, the fine powder, into bags, so that make your team more efficiency. This is a controller to control the whole system on and off. Okay, that is the whole system of this YGM95 Raymond mill machine. So if you are interested in, please contact me. Again, thanks for trusting WELLINE Machinery.